Israel's war on Gaza. Hezbollah blames Israel for deadly pager blasts in Lebanon. Breaking news. Hezbollah holds Israel fully responsible for pager explosions across Lebanon. These blasts killed at least 9 people and injured 2,750 others, including a young girl. Over 200 of the wounded are in critical condition. Israel has declined to comment on these detonations. These simultaneous explosions occurred less than 24 hours after the Israeli cabinet expanded its war goals on Gaza, aiming to return residents displaced by Hezbollah's attacks in northern Israel to their homes. Iraqi aid arrives in Beirut. An Iraqi military plane carrying medical supplies has landed at Beirut Rafik Hariri International Airport. Lebanon's hospitals are overwhelmed with the influx of wounded from the pager explosions. Lebanon's Minister of Health, Faras al-Abayad, received the much-needed supplies. Historic moment at the UN. Palestine, now an observer at the UN General Assembly, has submitted a draft resolution demanding an end to Israel's occupation of Palestinian territories. This resolution builds on a recent International Court of Justice ruling calling for Israel to withdraw its troops, halt settlement expansion, and return land taken since 1967 within 12 months. While the U.S. opposes the resolution, it has no veto power in the UNGA. The resolution, though not legally binding, reflects global opinion as leaders gather for high-level UN meetings next week.